2 rounds together, 14 and 15. First I'll show you how to finish the previous round. We have to make a slip stitch, but to the back side, and all of the stitches will be here made in the next round. So we make the slip stitch to the back side or to the back wall of the first single crochet, and we have to take the white color, which I'm going to continue with, so that the round is started with the white color already, and the raising loop is of the white color, and into the same place single crochet into each single crochet to the back side of it. We continue doing the round till the corner. In the corner we make into the middle stitch 3 single crochet like that, and we continue others 1 single crochet into each single crochet. Please do it from the back side of the stitch so that you can see the previous color better. It makes this vivid border between the colors. So this is how we form our angle. In the next step we finish for the both sides. We have to make the slip stitch here into the both sides of the first single crochet like that. I will continue with the same color, so it's going to be also white, and the first raising loop, and the same way we continue the round, just single crochet into each single crochet till the corner here. One, two, three. In the corner again similar, 3 single crochet into 1 central stitch, and others the same way, 1 single crochet into each single crochet around the whole round. This way the corner looks much better. And please do the final step by yourself. That's the end of the doily.